Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Have you ever wanted to go on a diving excursion? Here, we have one for you. You can see the beautiful fish and the beautiful coral reef, all with your own eyes. All of it is quite picturesque, even the... it's bleaching. That's not very pretty.
The issue at hand, as stated earlier, is coral reef degradation, and the solution is restoration. The severity has reached about, well, what some could say high severity, but to give you a percentage to grasp on a little bit better, there is about 70% of the worldwide coral which has been lost, leaving us with a remainder 30%. That is quite the severe and drastic shift from the pre-industrial era to post-industrial era. This affects the planet on the local scale, with people having less access to food, which then in return leads to less access to economical needs, such as the restaurants will be getting less money, and on a global scale, this will be affecting the large fishing charters or fishing ships. The communities affected are, of course, the local communities, but then in return it will then affect worldwide communities as the population of fish drops drastically. This would be an issue not just for people who enjoy diving in the area, but also for worldwide communities, as, like I've stated before, the population of fish will be dropping drastically, and that will be affecting a lot of restaurants, and then even just regular grocery stores as well. As a takeaway, you could keep in mind how the loss of coral reefs will be leading to drastic loss in fish population, but not just the fish population, but the plankton population as well, which feed off of the excess and waste from said coral reefs. Without that, then there will be nothing to supply the plankton with nutrients. Coral reef bleaching is not only unsightly, but it's also bad for the environment for these following reasons. But luckily for us, there are still Fragments of Hope. Fragments of Hope is a partner with the Belize Fisheries Department, Healthy Reefs Initiative, and the Smithsonian Institute, as well as being a member of the newly formed Regional Coral Restoration Coalition. Here, you will be seeing a map showcasing their area of jurisdiction, you could say. And then here, you will be seeing their motto. And then here, I have provided some of their PDF files showing you what they like to present and how they like to showcase what they can teach people with their manuals and their protected areas. I find them to be a very reliable source for this type of information and a very devoted source as well. I hope you found this video informative, helpful, and as well, entertaining. Have a great day.